We have known for a while that the vanilla iPhone 14 Duo will not have ProMotion displays, Apple's marketing term for high refresh rate, but now publication the elect offers details on the exact type of displays that will be used. The vanilla iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max will use LTPS backplanes and what Samsung calls the M11 material set. This is set of ingredients that goes into the making of the display panels. The M series of materials sets is reserved for Apple's iPhones and Samsung's premium Galaxy phones. The iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max will use an LTPO backplane instead to enable the ProMotion feature. Also, they will use the newly developed M12 material set. For reference, the Galaxy S22 Plus and S22 Ultra used the M11 set. The S22 got the older M10 set. The upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 will be the first to use the new M12 material set. Samsung will supply display panels for all 4 iPhone 14 models, and it has reportedly received an order for 80 million panels. LG will chip in as well, building panels for the vanilla iPhone 14 and go for the flagship iPhone 14 Pro Max. This will be made with the RSL material set. Last year, LG was building iPhone 13 panels with the previous RSK set. The Elex report does not mention BOE, which had reportedly secured a small order of panels, although not without some difficulty. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.